Drinking test. Come on, Richard. Oh, it didn't work. Back. Okay. That's it. I'm showing what's going on. Come on. That's right.
Did it let me join yet?
Yes, it has.
Yahoo!
What the hell's going on here?
it just came up with a play button. So you know when you go on YouTube,
Yeah.
and you sat there with a big play button thing in your face, and I pressed that, and it just played the video stream of you sitting there.
All right.
And then it came up with a copyright thing saying, sign this copyright thing to say you won't broadcast copyright material.
Yeah.
And then it said waiting, 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 and then must have put me through. But I didn't get a request. It didn't say, do you want to join?
That's strange then.
It was on the page, and it just said, join Hangout. Because there were two Hangouts live.
Yeah.
And it was, one were you sitting there, and the other one was just a button that said, hang out now, sort of thing.
Yeah. So
but when Steve,
there's no video of you. Have you got your video on?
I got my video on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on my phone.
Because it's not showing you on here.
It's
only showing you a picture of your back.
It says ongoing video call.
Right. Video mute is unavailable for mobile users. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm there.
There. Sorted. Right.
God knows how I did that.
Right. What I had to do was I had to take the main Google account and disconnect that from the YouTube. And I've connected this outreach page to our YouTube.
Yeah, right, yeah, because I thought if Stephen's doing a commentary on Rob's Australian solar images, it'd be nice if it was recorded.
Yeah. If you go to our the Astronomy for Fun outreach page, where it says home on the left-hand side, if you click down to dashboard on that, where the dashboard is, it then brings up your options to start a video call with your followers, or below, further below where it says dashboard, it's got your Hangouts. Either of those will work.
Yeah, right.
So it's all set up now. So when you come to...
Yeah, right, yeah, because the outreach one would be handy if we just use the outreach one for outreach.
Yeah, yeah. The good thing is...
They were trying to explain it last night, because he said to get the timing and stuff right, because he keeps saying what time is it over there and what time is it over here. And we worked out it's 10 hours in front of us.
Yeah.
Stephen's 5 hours behind us. Yeah. But then it depends when, in Australia, the clocks don't change like ours do. It's just a set time all year round.
All right.
Whereas in America, it's different to us.
Yeah.
Because they go back and forwards at different dates than ours.
Yeah.
Because it depends what part of America you're in, because that's why it's all different time zones, isn't it?
Yeah. See, now we know how it works. Now I've got it all sorted. On mine, I've got a toolbox. From what I was reading, everyone has to download the toolbox themselves.
No, right. It'd just be nice if we had a thing at the bottom to say who we were.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I've got on the right-hand side on the control panel Astronomy for Fun Outreach, and then Rick Bailey underneath that. So I've got a list of names there. As for putting something down the bottom, there may be a way of doing it. I don't know. I think that's a case of maybe asking somebody who's got more experience with Google Plus than we have.
Yeah, because I did it once on mine. Then it was that toolbox thing. You opened it up and it said caption.
With Toolbox, did you say?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got here settings. Custom overlay. Custom overlay? What the hell's that?
Could be.
Okay, let me have a look and just check something.
It's going to be fun because Rob's going to have 2 feeds. He says he's going to have his normal video camera doing the sunrise. Another one doing sunspots.
That might work.
I've got a logo up there now.
You've got our logo there now.
Yeah.
That's the custom overlay that I've just put on. Now there is somewhere. I'm in 4 likes of the outreach. I'm just going to try this, and I don't know what the hell it's going to do.
Because Rob said he was going to.
What's that?
We got a banner now.
We've got the what?
We got a banner at the bottom now.
Right, see, I don't get that. What I've tried to do is I tried to do the outreach poster, the flyer that I've done, and I tried to add that. So I don't know if that has worked, and obviously I don't get to see that until I play it back, I guess. Let's have a look. There's that. I'm still messing around with it, just trying to work out what's what.
That's what's popped up now.
Again, I'm not getting anything. Okay, over my that's over my. Really, we need that behind. Try and put that further down. Different stuff here that I'm trying to work out what it all means.
Yeah, because we've got a story for Fun Outreach at the bottom now.
So I've just changed a couple of things there, just what happened. But again, I don't get anything. Okay, Astronomy for Fun Outreach, but it's reversed.
No, yeah, no, it's all right here.
Right, I'm seeing it flipped.
Yeah, because it's like that one that was there before that just sent you the photo of,
See, I didn't
and
get
it's
it.
got the logo.
I'll tell you what it is. I don't get it unless I'm looking at a video of me. If I have your video highlighted, I don't see anything there. So it's worthwhile. Okay. Yeah, strange.
I wonder how. 'Cause Rob said he was going to call in.
Right, I've just worked out how to flip it as well for me. So it now says at the bottom here, our logo, Astronomy for Fun Outreach. As it should look for me. Right, I think we've sorted it. I think. It's only taken half hour. But, right, I'm going to go because I've got stuff I've got to try and do here now. Now this is sorted. I'll have a play with it later on if you want.
Yeah, because it was because I'll give the probably later on tonight. I'll give Rob the link to this one, then the outreach bit.
Yeah.
So if I give him the link to this, cause what the plan was, he was going to do a video call over.
Yeah.
And then hang up just to make sure it were working, that everybody were there and the time zone were right. Stephen were going to do the same, and then we were going to open the outreach, open the Google Plus Hangout from our end, and invite them two in.
Right.
So we're the host, but they've joined.
Yeah. No, that's fine. That's fine. Definitely need to try and test it again later on. Like I say, I've got to shoot off now because I've got stuff I want to try and do. But I should be free tonight at some point.
Yeah, well, they've both got my personal one, my Google Plus on my phone.
Yeah. If you
Contact me on the phone.
I mean, you can add 3 or 4 Google accounts to your phone. So if you add this, you can try this one on your phone as well.
Yeah.
Because I've got it on mine. But at least we've got it working now. That's one problem solved.
I think it's just really using it more, isn't it, to get used to it.
Yeah, I think that's what we're going to have to do. Well, we've got to use it at some stage with Tracy, Andrew, yourself, Darren, myself, even Andy Green and Dom, just to discuss the events for Saturday night. Make sure everyone knows what's going on. We need to try and pin everyone down on that.
Yeah, because Rob said if for the outreach events we do next year, we can if this one works fine and everybody's linked up together. If we turn up at an event and it's cloudy or we want a live feed from America or Australia, it's there, and if they're doing out, you can join in and stream their stuff as well.
Yep. Yeah. No, that's perfect. Perfect. Like I say, this goes.
It's just getting the thing working first, isn't it? Making sure everybody knows what it's doing, and
That's it. I mean, I'm certainly not one for like Google Plus and Hangouts and working them out, but I seem to have a knack of being able to find everything. So with that, it's quite easy to do. what I'm going to do, like I say, I'm going to shoot off now, and I'll be back later on. Have a play with it and see if there's anything else you think. At least you've got the link.
Yeah.
But, right, I'll catch you later on.
Yeah.
Speak to you later, Rich.
Yeah, just got to work out how to get out of this now.
Easy. See ya.